Welcome back to Number Corner. It's January. Wait a second, it's not January anymore. It's now February. Let's check out our February calendar in 3, 2, 1. And now it is February. February of the year 2021, and today is the very first day of February. Hey, did you notice that Number Corner is in a new spot in my room? Absolutely. I had it in a different spot, but I really wanted to use this awesome purple wall behind me to hang up all the stuff that we need for Number Corner. So we're going to be doing Number Corner right here for now on, unless we decide to change it again. So today, let's figure out our date is February 1st, 2021. Say it with me, February 1st, 2021. And the day is Monday. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be, what comes after Monday? Tuesday. Hey, speaking of our days of the week, let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. We haven't done that in a while. Are you ready? Get out your snaps or your claps ready. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 A great way to figure out what came yesterday and what comes tomorrow is singing our Days of the Week song, because we know yesterday was the day before Sunday, and tomorrow is the day after, which is Tuesday. Let's go ahead and check out what our calendar cards look like for this month. Now, this first card doesn't tell us too much information, but what do you see on this card? I see a red dot. How many red dots do we see? Just one. So today, we are seeing one red dot. That's the only hint they're giving us about what we're going to see on our cards this month. So I guess we're going to have to figure out what's going to happen on Wednesday when we're there. Something super cool for February is we are going to start using money. Yes, money. And the first thing we are going to be talking about is a penny. Can you say that word out loud for me? Say penny. Is this a real penny that I'm holding? No, this is a card that made the penny look bigger so you can really see what it looks like. What are some observations that you can make about this penny? What do you notice about it? What does it look like? Well, the first thing that I notice is the color. What's the color of this penny? Yeah, it's kind of like a brownish bronze. So all pennies are this color. And a fun fact about a penny is that no other coin is this color. A penny is its very own color. And look at what else do we see on it? It's a circle, absolutely. All coins are going to be circles like this penny. Then we can see this guy on the front. Has some numbers down here. This is 1972. On the side it says Liberty, and at the tippy top it says, "In God We Trust." So this is what a penny looks like. But hey, I have a real penny too. This is what a real penny looks like. It's teeny tiny, about the size of the tip of my thumb, but it looks just like the card I was showing you, but this is a real one. So it's similar in color to the card, just like this, but it's super duper small. And then this is what the back of a penny looks like. Pretty cool, huh? Now, when we're using pennies, we're talking about coins, not dollar bills, not $100 like we did on the 100th day of school. A penny is a coin. And when we want to talk about how much it's worth, how much you can use for it to buy something, it is worth 1 cent. The word is cents. Now, I'm going to show you how to write the word cents without having to write the whole word. Go ahead and grab your whiteboard. That should be right next to you. Now, as you have probably seen before, a dollar sign is an S with 2 lines through it, like this. Go ahead and do that on your whiteboard. Now, that's a dollar sign. That's when we're using dollar bills, or we have enough cents that add up to at least a dollar. That's what you want to use when you're talking about dollars, but we're not talking about dollars, we're talking about cents. So when we're talking about cents, we're going to use a C because as you can see in the word cents, it starts with a soft C. So go ahead, right next to that, put a C for me. Now through that C, we're going to draw one line like this. Dollar sign can have one. It usually is two. But for when we're writing cents, it's a letter C with a line straight through the middle. Go ahead and erase that dollar sign, but keep the cent sign for me. So you should only have this. Now today, we have 1 penny, which means it is worth 1 cent. So we're going to put the number 1 right in front of it, and it reads as 1 cent. Now if we have more than 1 penny, let's say we have 2 pennies, then it would be 2 cents. A penny is worth 1, so for each penny you count it as 1. Today we have 1 cent. On your seesaw activity, you're going to see the cent sign a lot. You're going to be counting pennies one by one to see how many cents you have all together. So keep an eye out for that sign. Since a penny is worth 1 cent, you can count pennies by ones. Let's see how many pennies I have here and see how much they're worth. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents. I have 9 pennies, which means I also have 9 cents. Guess what? If I had 100 pennies, let's pretend I have 100 pennies, those are worth $1. 100 pennies is worth $1.